So this is a quick meal prep, okay? So my hands are clean. I was already in the process of prepping the food and filming. However, something went wrong with the first video, so I had to start from scratch. So that is why you see everything is already sort of prepped. But I'm going to talk you through what I've done, okay? So these are chicken drumstick fillets, okay? Right here. And then I've got potatoes that have been peeled. My little one doesn't like skin on potatoes, so I've peeled his one. So that's there. And then these are baby potatoes that have been cut into halves and quarters after washing, of course. And in here I've got baharat seasoning, which I make myself, okay? Baharat seasoning, so you can check how that is made and the ingredients that you need to make it on our YouTube channel, A.H.P Collective 3525, okay? You can check that out. And then I've also drizzled in here olive oil, okay? The Napolina extra virgin olive oil. Now I purchased this from Tea Green eBay store. Okay, they've got different snacks, different food items, Afro-Caribbean food items, seasonings, and personal care products as well. Okay, so you can check them out on eBay and make your purchases there and have them delivered to your doorstep. Okay, now I drizzled some on there to coat everything, and then I also drizzled a whole lemon, okay, a whole lemon, which I washed and cut into halves to squeeze, and that's all for flavor. This is a Mediterranean flavor, so remember that they like using lemons, they like using olive oil and different spices in their cooking. Okay, so my hands are clean. Don't be alarmed, my hands are clean. I normally use a knife to get as much juice from the lemon as possible, but because I'm using both hands, I'm unable to do that. Okay, now I also added our dry chopped garlic in there. You see bits of it there, okay, which is here. I've only got a little bit left, but it's okay because we're starting our winter pantry prep again, so I just sprinkled some of this on there. So I normally chop these, buy garlic, chop them, and then dry them and store them in airtight jars for winter and through to spring, okay, when we do our next pantry prep. Okay, so that I have ingredients at home for when I'm making meals like these that need such ingredients. Okay, it makes my life easier. So now I'm gonna coat everything nicely. Okay, spread everything out so it cooks out evenly, especially the potatoes. Okay, I'm gonna get another piece of foil and cover it, okay, and slow cook. It's a Friday today, so it's gonna be a slow cooked dinner, okay, because we're going to bed a little bit later, and we've had our tea time to keep us going. So we'll be alright. We'll be fine. In about an hour and a half, dinner will be ready to serve. And that's basically it. That's all you need to do. That is it. Everything nice and ready. I tried not to coat these potatoes because my son might not like the seasoning, so I tried to make it as plain as possible, but he likes the flavored chicken. And then I'm gonna add some salt because our baharat doesn't have salt in there, so I'm going to add a little bit of salt, but that will be later. Okay, once it's got some juices in there to work with to dissolve the salt. Alright, that is it, guys. I shall see you all in the next video. Bye.